get lit.
Alright guys, we just got home from work. It's Saturday, about to get the boat out and go fishing. First time in like 2 years. I swear it's been so long. Gere's gonna come over, we're gonna go fishing. I have not got the boat out obviously with this truck before because I only had this truck 3 months. So it's gonna be tricky getting it in here. Hopefully it fits and I can get the boat out, but we'll see. Pretty low with the truck sitting this low in the back. I've first time pulling anything as well, hauling. So we'll see how it does, but she's gonna be squatting pretty good. There's no doubt about that. There we go. It does fit. Perfect. Well, here she is. It's not squatting bad at all. I mean, compared to what it was, it's not much different, honestly. Of course, this isn't a big boat or anything, just a little express with a little 40 on it, but it's catches fish just the same, I reckon. Let's check the other side because we are on the uneven driveway. Yeah, this side's going a little more, but looks freaking sick. So we're sitting here at the only gas station on the river, and they don't sell fishing license anymore. So you know, Gere found him a link, and it's like, yo, this is it. And
It's not it.
I think Gere just got us both scammed for $30.
I think so too.
Time to cry. So yeah, we got the wrong thing. Gere sent us the wrong thing. Then we got to the boat launch, and now the trolling motor, the hydraulics won't lift the engine, and we don't know what's wrong. So now we're gonna try to figure out the wiring stuff. It's going great. Battery's dead. Gotta go get some more. Great day of fishing.
Still filming?
Yeah.
You gonna put it on the trailer?
No. Alright, I'll back you off. Alright, yes, I know that was horrible filming. Sorry about that. Yeah, this place is freaking packed out. So now we're gonna go try to find somewhere to park this thing so we can actually start fishing. A lot of nice trucks out here. But we're finally getting out on the river. Thank gosh. After replacing the batteries, $200 down the drain, we are good to go. This is just sick. Having a backup camera, that's just freaking epic. Fishing's going great. You're about to net a big one. Don't pull it or it'll snap. Run your rod in there. Sick.
Let's see if I even took off the thing.
Did he even take off the hook guard? You
No.
didn't. Oh my gosh, bro, what are you doing? It's like the first cast. Didn't even have the hook.
Hung up on anything.
That's not how that works. Picking up Mead. I'm sure you can't see him over there. It's his 21st birthday. Wish him happy birthday.
Happy birthday, man.
Okay. There's like 100 boats over there. Tournament's wrapping up. We're really just out here just dicking around, really. Haven't caught anything. We haven't been really serious. It's good to be out on the river. He got that bag though. Yeah, Mead's turning 21. We about to do some boating.
Oh, he's got
Yeah.
the bag.
Got the bag. Yeah. Best day of fishing since we actually didn't catch anything, so but it was fun. Got the boat out, got new batteries in it, boat's running great, engine's not skipping a beat or anything, so overall did good. Had fun with Mead and Gere and everybody out here, so definitely bad day of fishing, but still a good time. So we're gonna get the boat loaded up and we'll be gone. So I'm guessing I'll still make a video out of this, even though there wasn't a whole lot of footage, but hopefully y'all did enjoy. Not the best with videoing as far as this kind of stuff, especially when I'm trying to enjoy it and stuff, so I don't know, but hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Get the boat loaded up. hook. You can put the hook on there. You can reach it. Flip that thing up.